Hello again, folks. I'm back at the bunker today to tackle this. It's been exactly 2 months since my open day, my sort of last open day of the year, and the weather's been so bad since then I haven't been able to get the grass cut. And unfortunately, as you can see, it is incredibly long and wet. So I have to get all this cut today just so that I don't want to leave it too long, and then come sort of January, February, March time, it'll just get even longer. So just better to get it cut now, get it over and done with, and yeah, I have a few other jobs to do as well, but I'll talk about then. Talk about that once I get the grass cut, because I think this is going to take me a while. But once I'm sort of halfway through, I'll come back again and let you know how I'm getting on. So yeah, a lot of work to do. So bit of a jump cut. Okay, so I'm about halfway done. It's not terrible, but it's not easy going either. Grass is soaking wet, and I'm pretty long. You can probably see I'm completely out of breath as well. You can probably see the length difference there. Yeah, what I'm have to do is tilt the lawnmower up like that, and then go along with a first cut. I'm literally at the highest setting, and it is still bogging down. I'm glad I got a new lawnmower recently, because the old lawnmower would not have been able to cope with this. But yeah, you can see I've got, well, roughly the same amount here to do again, but I'm getting there. The grass is certainly taking a beating anyway, but it'll recover. It always does. And it's still reasonably warm here. It's not hasn't dipped below freezing yet, so we've hopefully got a few more weeks of decent weather. But yeah, I'm getting there, slowly but surely. Back breaking, but again, you can see I've all done this bit too. But yeah, just gonna have to empty the grass bin every 2 or 3 passes. But yeah, really there. So back in a minute. Well, that was an adventure. As you can see, it is now pretty much dark. The sun set just there a few minutes ago. So yeah, that took quite a long time. I did another job after I'd finished. I changed the box that was there to a better one. I noticed during my open day that the connection wasn't very good, so I put a new little box in there to connect the warning speaker above ground. And there's 2 connections in there, one for an above ground speaker and one then for the below ground speaker in the post. So that's a little bit better, much better, stronger connection with that box. And yeah, that was a nightmare. I know at the start I said it wasn't that bad, but yeah, that was pretty bad. That's probably the longest I've ever let the grass get. I've still got one of the cows knocked that bit of wood off. I've got to fix that the next time I come. But glad to get that over and done with. That was yeah, that was really bad, and I'm absolutely stinking as well, covered in grass juice. But at least the grass is cut, and I don't have to worry about it now in sort of March, April time. As I'm thinking about getting the post open again for open days. But yeah, just a short video this time. I promise I will be back with the review of the DP2. That will be coming soon. Once I sort of work out just I want to make it as safe as possible, as it's probably the most dangerous check source that I've ever had in my possession. So I just want to be 100% safe with that. But yeah, another job over, and that's me pretty much done for the year with the post. I'll be back up to do little tiny jobs, but no more big jobs to do between now and the end of this year. But listen, folks, as always, thank you very, very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye bye.